Let's look at developing algorithms using arrays. A common problem is to find the maximal value in an int array. For example, we have the int array nums, and we're initializing with the list of 6 values, and we have the integer variable maxval, and we're initializing it with the first element of the nums array, which is right now 3. Then we have a for each loop. We discussed the syntax of a for each loop in the last video, but basically we're going to iterate through each element in the nums array using first we have the data type, we have our custom variable, a colon, and then we have the name of the array, nums. And we're going to iterate through each of the elements, which will be referred to with the variable name num, and we are going to basically evaluate this conditional. This if statement states that if num, the value of num, is going to be greater than maxval, whatever the current value of maxval is, we're going to set maxval to num. We've seen this conditional, this piece of code many times in the past. If we wanted to find the minimum value, we'd of course do the same thing, but then flip the sign, right? And then include the code in the between. But that's what we do if we want to find this. Min val. But in the case of the maxval, and any time any number in the array is greater than what we initialized maxval with, the first element of the array, we want maxval to be that number. So let's see how this runs through. Right now maxval equals 3, and as we run through each of the elements, we'd go 9. Okay, 9 is greater than 3, so now maxval equals 9, right? Then we go 6. No, 6 is not greater than 9. We'd go 7. 7 is not greater than 9. We'd go 10. 10 is greater than 9. So maxval would be assigned the value 10. And then lastly, we have 1. 1 is not greater than 9, so maxval would remain the same. We wouldn't enter the conditional. So at the end, we have successfully obtained the maximum value in the array, which is 10. So system.out.println max, this should be maxval, would be 10.